Water damage is a homeowner's worst nightmare, but a flooded basement doesn't have to be your reality. Today, we're diving deep into the absolute best sump pumps on the market to keep your home bone dry. We found some amazing contenders, but there is one specific pump on this list that completely shocked us during our testing, outperforming models that cost nearly twice as much. Which one is it? Stick around until the end to find out. 7. Green Expert Sump Pump. When we first unboxed this unit, the immediate thought was how incredibly lightweight it felt compared to the traditional heavy-duty pumps we are used to handling. It is marketed as a versatile, submersible utility pump that you can easily move around from a flooded basement to a backyard pool or a rain barrel. Setting it up for our initial water transfer test was a breeze, and its plug-and-play nature is definitely going to appeal to those who want a quick, temporary fix. It features a bottom suction design that allows it to remove water down to a very low level, which we found quite satisfying when draining a flat concrete surface. The thermal overload protection is another nice touch, giving you a bit of peace of mind that the motor will not completely fry itself if it runs dry for a short period. However, this is where our praise for the Green Expert begins to wane, as our continuous stress tests revealed some significant limitations. The primarily plastic construction, while contributing to its light weight, simply does not inspire confidence for long-term, permanent basement installation. When we left it submerged for extended periods, we noticed the housing felt somewhat fragile, making us question how it would hold up against the accidental impacts or debris that often find their way into a sump pit. Furthermore, when we introduced even a moderate amount of muddy water and small debris into the test basin, the Green Expert struggled to maintain a consistent flow rate. It is clearly designed for clean water transfer, and relying on it as your primary defense during a torrential downpour where sediment is present feels like a massive gamble. 6. Superior Pump 9250. Superior Pump is a recognizable brand in the water movement industry, and we were eager to see how this particular entry-level model would perform under our testing conditions. Out of the box, it features a tough, thermoplastic construction that immediately felt a bit more robust than the Green Expert. In our controlled water basin tests, the 9250 demonstrated a respectable ability to move water quickly, boasting a capacity of up to 1,800 gallons per hour, depending on the lift height. We utilized the included garden hose adapter, which makes it incredibly versatile for sudden emergency cleanups or general household draining tasks. The continuous duty split capacitor motor ran relatively smoothly, and the suction screen successfully filtered out larger debris during our initial clear water runs. Despite these positive aspects, our extended evaluations quickly exposed why the 9250 is sitting at the number 6 spot on our list. For starters, this is fundamentally a utility pump rather than a dedicated automatic sump pump, meaning it lacks a built-in float switch straight out of the box. Unless you purchase and wire an external switch yourself, you have to manually plug and unplug this unit, which is completely impractical for an automated basement flood protection system. Even when we hooked it up to an external tethered switch to simulate a permanent sump environment, the 1/4 horsepower motor simply lacked the aggressive grunt needed to clear out a rapidly filling pit. During our heavy inflow simulation, the pump could barely keep up with the rising water, and the motor housing grew noticeably warm as it strained to push water vertically through a standard discharge pipe. 5. Superior Pump 92250. This model is a true, dedicated sump pump, featuring the same 1/4 horsepower motor, but integrated into a package meant for permanent installation in your basement pit. Our initial impressions were much more favorable here, as it arrives ready to tackle actual sump duties right out of the packaging. During our installation process, we really appreciated the tethered float switch that comes pre-attached and calibrated for typical sump pit depths. When we filled our test pit, the switch activated flawlessly, kicking the motor on at the perfect height and shutting it down smoothly before it could suck air. The operation was remarkably quiet for a pump in this price tier, humming along without sending vibrations up through the discharge pipe into the floorboards above. The build quality heavily features high-grade thermoplastic, but it feels thicker and more durable in the hand, designed specifically to withstand sitting continuously in a damp, corrosive environment. We ran it through several dozen cycles over a few days, and it consistently moved its rated 1,800 gallons per hour without any signs of fatigue or thermal throttling. The top discharge design also makes it very easy to fit into narrower sump pits, giving homeowners a bit of flexibility if they are working with tight spaces. One of the standout features we tested was the non-clogging vortex impeller, which is a massive upgrade when dealing with groundwater that isn't perfectly clean. We tossed in handfuls of small leaves, grit, and standard basement floor debris, and the 92250 passed them straight through the discharge without a single hiccup or jam. 4. The Basement Watchdog Model SIT-50D. Basement Watchdog has built a stellar reputation for their dual float switch designs, and we were incredibly excited to finally get our hands on this unit. From the moment we pulled it from the box, the combination of cast iron and cast aluminum construction made it clear this is a premium, professional-grade appliance. The true star of the show with the SIT-50D is its micro-read dual float switch technology, which we tested rigorously in our simulation lab. Unlike standard mechanical switches that can get stuck against the side of the pit, this switch sits inside a protective cage, and it actually contains two separate floats. If the first float somehow fails to activate, the second one takes over immediately, providing a built-in layer of redundancy that is absolutely brilliant for preventing catastrophic failures. Powering up this 1/2 horsepower beast was a genuinely impressive experience, as it effortlessly expelled water at a staggering rate of 4,400 gallons per hour. When we simulated a flash flood scenario by dumping massive bins of water into our test basin, the SIT-50D cleared it out so fast it almost seemed like a magic trick. It handles high vertical lifts exceptionally well, maintaining a remarkably strong flow rate, even when we extended the discharge pipe up to 10 feet. The energy-efficient permanent split capacitor motor is another major plus we discovered during our electrical draw tests. Despite its massive pumping capability, it actually draws fewer amps than many older, less powerful pumps, which means it will run cooler and put less strain on your home's electrical circuits. The top-mounted discharge and narrow profile allowed us to easily drop it right into a standard 10-inch diameter pit without any awkward maneuvering. 3. Superior Pump 92551. When you are looking for a pump that will sit in a dark hole for years and activate without fail the moment you need it, this is exactly the kind of build quality you want. The solid cast iron housing is incredibly heavy, which is a massive advantage because it keeps the pump securely planted at the bottom of the pit and drastically reduces vibration noise. We absolutely love testing the vertical float switch on this model, which is a significant upgrade over traditional tethered switches for tighter spaces. In our narrow pit simulation, the vertical switch glided up and down its rod smoothly without any risk of tangling or getting caught on the pit walls. This precise up and down movement ensures the pump turns on and off at exact, predictable water levels every single time, maximizing the efficiency of each pumping cycle. Performance-wise, the 92551 is an absolute workhorse, utilizing its 1/2 horsepower motor to move up to 4,200 gallons of water per hour. We forced it to run continuously for hours under a simulated heavy rain event, and the cast iron housing acted as a perfect heat sink, keeping the motor cool and preventing any thermal overload. The tough, thermoplastic non-clogging vortex impeller aggressively chewed through any dirt and small pebbles we threw at it, proving it can handle dirty sump water with ease. Another feature we highly appreciated during our hands-on review was the 1.5-inch NPT discharge, which allowed for maximum water flow and easy integration with standard residential plumbing setups. 2. Wayne 58321 WYN3 CDU 980E. Wayne is a legendary name in water management, and the CDU 980E is often considered the gold standard for residential sump systems. Taking it out of the box, the stunning combination of a stainless steel motor housing and a rugged cast iron base screams premium quality and meticulous engineering. When we flipped the switch on this 3/4 horsepower monster, the sheer volume of water it moved was absolutely breathtaking, maxing out at a whopping 4,600 gallons per hour. We set up our most demanding high lift test, pushing water vertically up a 15-foot pipe, and the wane hardly seemed to notice the resistance, maintaining a powerful, steady stream. If you have a deep basement or live in a high water table area where your pit fills rapidly, this pump has the aggressive muscle required to keep you completely dry. One of the most shocking discoveries during our testing was just how incredibly quiet this pump is, despite its massive power output. The cast iron base and top-tier bearings absorb almost all the mechanical noise, resulting in a low, gentle hum that you will never hear from the floor above. We also thoroughly tested the integrated vertical float switch, which has been tested to over 1 million cycles, and it performed flawlessly, engaging and disengaging with crisp, confident clicks. The top suction design is another brilliant feature that really stood out during our evaluation in a pit with a muddy bottom. By pulling water from the top of the cast iron base rather than the very bottom, the wane pump actively minimizes the amount of debris and sediment that gets sucked into the impeller chamber. This significantly reduces the risk of clogging and dramatically extends the lifespan of the pump seals, ensuring it runs efficiently for use. 1. Basement Watchdog BW1050. While the wane model had slightly more raw horsepower, the BW1050 blew us away with its unmatched reliability, innovative features, and overall value. This pump is housed in a rugged cast iron and cast aluminum body that feels virtually indestructible, ready to tackle the absolute worst basement conditions imaginable. During our most extreme testing phases, the BW1050 pumped a phenomenal 4,400 gallons per hour, effortlessly keeping pace with our maximum simulated floodwater inflow. What truly sets this pump apart from the competition, and what ultimately secured its #1 ranking, is its proprietary dual micro-reed float switch combined with a high-tech protective cage. We intentionally tried to jam the switch with debris, and the protective cage deflected everything, while the redundant second float guaranteed the pump activated perfectly every single time. The energy efficiency of the permanent split capacitor motor is genuinely mind-blowing, moving massive volumes of water while drawing a fraction of the electricity used by its competitors. We monitored the motor temperature during a grueling 24-hour continuous run test, and the dual metal housing dissipated the heat so effectively that the pump barely registered above room temperature. This kind of thermal management is exactly what you need when a multi-day storm hits and your pump is working around the clock. We were also incredibly impressed by the top discharge design and the smartly engineered air relief valve that is built right into the system. This prevents the dreaded airlock scenario, a common issue where air gets trapped in the pump and stops it from moving water, meaning you never have to drill your own weep hole in the PVC pipe.